Good evening, everyone. For those of you who don't know me, I am Sharon Scheidt, Mayor Pro Tem for the City of Valdez. I wanted to reach out to all of you today to introduce myself and address recent developments and concerns some community members may have. As many of you are aware, the City Council held a special meeting last night to discuss implementing Local Health Mandate 001. At the state level, the governor is empowered to simply issue state health mandates. However, at the local level, the City Council must approve local health mandates before they are issued. So, if yesterday's process seemed a little strange to you, that's why. If approved, Local Health Mandate 001 will outline specific requirements for travelers, including visitors and residents moving in and out of our community. Mandates are enforceable by law and must be written so they provide clear guidance to protect the health and safety of our community. Approval of the mandate, as written, was postponed until Monday evening to allow us time to clarify a few important concerns raised by community members and others about how the mandate would be enforced. I wanted to personally assure everyone the mandate was not postponed due to a lack of concern or urgency. We understand the seriousness and the time sensitivity of the COVID-19 situation. We know the more roadblocks we place in front of the virus, the more we flatten the curve and protect our local healthcare system from becoming overwhelmed. And the more we flatten the curve, the safer our community will be. As most of you are aware, we recently declared a local public health disaster in Valdez. With that declaration, we have shifted from a unified community response to a formal incident command system, or ICS structure. As we speak, the ICS Unified Command is working hard to review the mandate language and ensure it can be applied and easily enforced. We also want to make certain it is clear and understandable so all of you know exactly how it applies to you. Please tune in to the City Council meeting live stream on Monday at 5 p.m. to hear more. Please remember, mandates are put in place to help engage action to stop the potential spread of COVID-19 in our community. But please do not wait until the mandate is in place. Take action now. If you recently traveled from outside Valdez, talk to your employer. Stay home and away from others for 14 days to make certain you don't develop symptoms or unintentionally spread the virus to others. If you have travel planned in the next month, seriously reconsider your plans. We all need to do our individual part to keep the community safe. I also wanted to let everyone know that Mayor ONeil has stepped away from his mayoral duties to focus every ounce of his energy on supporting our healthcare system. We appreciate his focus on this critical infrastructure and his team of healthcare professionals at the hospital. We are grateful for his effort and applaud his leadership. I will be stepping in to fill the role of mayor in his absence. His are big shoes to fill, but I will do my best to assume this role. I pledge to work diligently through this crisis to keep our community on track and our citizens safe. I encourage all of you to continue practicing those important individual behaviors we've all been talking about over the last couple of months. Take individual responsibility to protect the health of your family, friends, and neighbors. Wash your hands. Monitor yourself for symptoms, which include a fever over 100.4 degrees, cough, and shortness of breath. Stay home if you are sick, even with mild symptoms. Call ahead to your medical provider for guidance. Stay informed with credible sources. Take time for self-care. Finally, I want to remind everyone that social distancing does not mean social isolation. Now is the time for us to continue to come together as a community. Look out for each other. Find ways to help. Be a good neighbor. We, now more than ever, need each other. We are in this together. It will take a deliberate effort and sacrifice from each one of us to stop or slow the potential spread of COVID-19. Thank you, Valdez, for your time. Stay safe and healthy.